This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in Settings because that's where Display controls live. Tap Settings, then tap Display and Brightness. This gets you to Night Shift controls. Once done, scan the top area for Night Shift. It appears under Brightness. Make sure your device is updated enough to show Night Shift and keep the screen unlocked so you can interact. If you're using Control Center, you can also swipe down or up to check Night Shift quicker, but we'll use Settings for exact controls. Now you're inside Night Shift settings and you choose how it behaves. You can toggle Scheduled on to set a time range or tap Manually Enable until tomorrow for a quick off/on. Adjust color temperature by dragging the slider. Less warm reduces the yellow tint, more warm increases it. This changes blue light levels. Once done, scheduled times let Night Shift start automatically. Make sure the start and end times match your sleep needs so it won't turn on unexpectedly. To fully turn Night Shift off, switch off Scheduled and ensure Manually Enable until tomorrow is not active. This stops automatic and temporary activation. Once you do that, check Control Center and confirm the Night Shift icon is dimmed. That's your visual confirmation. If Night Shift still appears, restart your iPhone and recheck settings. Sometimes a reboot clears a stuck state. If problems continue, make sure iOS is updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.